She got me dreaming, am I dreaming now? She got me dreaming now. You got me dreaming out. Wake me up. Okay, let's get it poppin'. Another full moon. Another sigil to do. Here we go. Beautiful sigil. Alright, let me get this one poppin'. Another beautiful sigil. There's another beautiful sigil. These ones are the ones that I did previously on. So let's do a I am wealth sigil. I am wealth. Absolutely amazing. So then we're gonna take out the vowels, which is I, A, O, U, E. So we're gonna remove that from the statement. So I will go, A will go, M will come down, W will come down, E will go, A because it's repeated will go, L will come down, T will come down, and H will come down. So that statement just became a beautiful 5 letters. Okay, so from there we're gonna make a sigil out of these 5 letters. And if you on my YouTube channel, you'd know how to do 2 types of sigils out of this here. So yeah, let's get it popping. I'm gonna speed this up so we can get the sigil done. Yeah, so what we're doing here is we got the M, and the M is same like the W, so we'll use one symbol for that. Then we got the L, which is the bottom of the M, the top of the M, and then we got the T, which is underneath that, and we got the H. We use all of this just to simplify it. Then we got the circle around just to bring that energy and store it, and then we're gonna burn it or either bury it or something like that. So that'll release the energy. But yeah, man, it's as simple as that, and we're trying to simplify it enough so your subconscious takes it in. And yeah, you know how to program it. Check out my video on that. If you don't know how to charge it up and stuff like that. But yeah, every full moon is a procedure, and let's make that paper.